Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I will share with you a simple begun bhaja recipe. I took 3 small size black brinjal cut in half and slit lengthwise. Before cutting, wash the brinjal and dry it properly. Now I will prepare a spice mix using only 3 ingredients, that's salt, turmeric powder and garam masala powder. I took 2 spice spoon salt, 1 spice spoon turmeric powder and 1 spice spoon garam masala powder. Mix the masala well and sprinkle over brinjal slices. Apply on each brinjal slices nicely. After applying spice mix, immediately we have to fry. So in a kadai, I took oil, 40 ml oil. Before frying brinjal slices, I will mix the spice mix with a spoon on each brinjal slices so that there should be a nice coating of spice mix. Now oil is hot. I will put one by one at a time. I'll put 5 to 6 brinjal slices. Fry on medium to low flame. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to fry each side. When one side is dark brown, then flip the brinjal slices and fry for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low flame. It's a very quick and simple recipe. In Bengali, it is called begun bhaja. Look the nice color of brinjal fry. Flip again and fry evenly both sides. Our brinjal fry is ready for serving. It's a Bengali traditional recipe served with dal rice as a side dish. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe.